What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling with the frustrating out-of-video memory error in STALKER 2, Heart of Chornobyl? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this guide, we'll go through easy-to-follow solutions to fix this issue and get you back to gaming smoothly. If this video helps you out, be sure to like it and drop a comment. Solution 1. Verify system requirements. First, make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements, especially for your GPU and VRAM. Check that your GPU has at least 6 GB of VRAM as recommended by the developers. If your hardware doesn't meet the requirements, consider upgrading or lowering your settings, as we'll discuss in the next step. Solution 2. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can cause memory errors. For NVIDIA users, go to the NVIDIA driver downloads page. Download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. For AMD users, visit the AMD drivers and support page. Download and install the latest compatible drivers. Solution 3. Adjust in-game graphics settings. Lowering graphics settings can significantly reduce VRAM usage. Open the game, then go to Settings. Lower the following options: Texture quality, Shadow detail, Effects quality. Save the changes and restart the game to apply the adjustments. Solution 4. Close background applications. Other applications may be hogging memory. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Identify apps consuming high memory and end task for non-essential programs. Restart the game to see if the issue persists. Solution 5. Increase virtual memory, page file. Expanding your virtual memory can help handle high VRAM demand. Right-click this PC and select Properties. Select Advanced System Settings, then go to the Performance section and click Settings. In the Advanced tab, click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Choose your system drive, select Custom Size, and set both initial size and maximum size to higher values. Click Set, then OK, and restart your computer. Solution 6. Monitor VRAM usage. Use tools like MSI Afterburner to check how much VRAM the game uses during gameplay. If the usage is close to your GPU's limit, reduce in-game graphics settings further. Restart the game and monitor performance. Solution 7. Check for game updates. Ensure your game is up to date, as patches often fix memory-related errors. Steam users, right-click the game in your library, then go to Properties. Select Updates, then ensure Always Keep This Game Up to Date is enabled. Epic Games Store users, find the game in your library and click the 3 dots next to it. Select Update if available. Solution 8. Reinstall the game. If none of the above works, reinstalling the game can clear corrupted files. Uninstall the game from your platform, e.g., Steam or Epic Games Store. Re-download and reinstall the game. Test the game to confirm the issue is resolved. And that's it, boys and girls. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixed the out-of-video memory error in STALKER 2. If it did, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.